Hello, good evening. Welcome to our channel Yushi Talks, and today we are bringing you a sad news about a Wipeout contestant who had died after collapsing on the course. He died in November. However, his cause of death is now known. We have more details about this news about how this contestant died. Hence, please keep watching the video and also subscribe to my channel. A 38-year-old man died of natural causes during a taping of the TBS show Wipeout last fall, the LA County Coroner's Office has determined. Michael Paradise lost consciousness after falling from the show's obstacle course on November 18th. He died a day later. Coroner's report released on Friday showed that Paradise died of heart attack and that he suffered from undetected coronary artery disease. The toxicology report also showed that Paradise was free of drugs or alcohol when he died. The report states that he regularly consumed Nutrex Outlift Amped, a pre-workout dietary supplement. According to the report, Paradise drank a cup of water mixed with supplement powder on the morning of the show taping. The autopsy does not suggest that the supplement played any role in Paradise's death. It does state, however, that his fiancée told investigators that the supplement may have triggered a false positive result for MDMA or ecstasy shortly after Paradise arrived at the hospital. She told investigators that he did not drink or do drugs. He also did not feel any ill effects from the supplement and did not indicate any headaches or other ailments before falling from the obstacle course. According to the report, Paradise successfully completed two of the obstacles but fell on the third one. He struggled to swim to the side of the pool and had to be pulled out. He was lifted into a wheelchair but quickly lost consciousness. Bystanders began performing CPR and paramedics were called. He was taken to a Henry Mayo Newhall hospital where he was pronounced dead the following day. According to his fiancée, Paradise exercised for 2 hours a day, 5 days a week. He and his fiancée sold wellness products, including the Nutrex product that he consumed. He and his fiancée both participated in the show. In order to qualify, both had to submit to a drug screen, an EKG, and a COVID-19 test. They had both passed the screening. Wipeout aired on ABC from 2008 to 2014. TBS announced last year that it was rebooting the show, but it is yet to premiere. The show is produced by Endemol Shine North America. The company's extended condolences to Paradise's family after his death. So that's all we have in this news. Please continue to watch this space for more details and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching me and you have a wonderful day ahead. Bye bye.